Starter Pack. In this course, I am going to help guide you in building a foundational understanding of Python so you are able of creating your own Python programs. So why is Python so important to learn right now? Python is the #1 growing programming language due to it being so widely used. From artificial intelligence to data science and even web development, Python can get just about anything done. Let me not forget that it is very easy to catch on to. So, what can you expect from this course? We will begin by laying out the entire curriculum for this course and what to expect. Then, we will get our environment set up so we can write and run Python code. Next, we will begin learning different concepts in Python, from basic variables and data types to statements and classes. At the end of this course, we are going to work on a final project together, utilizing concepts that will be covered throughout this course. This is going to be the most exciting course you'll take on Udemy, with small exercises to gain hands-on experience, to small quizzes and tests to keep your brain working. So, you may be asking, who is this course for? Whether you are new to programming or an experienced programmer wanting to add another tool to your toolbox, this course will be for you. So let's get buckled up and get started.